revision of textbook, it is really condemnable, because very important aspects have been removed, and in that place what has been added is not something that people of India or the historians will agree with. To be specific, now they have removed content about Bhagat Singh. Now it is without doubt that he is a symbol of fighting spirit in India. The uncompromising freedom struggle was mainly recognized with Bhagat Singh. So to remove Bhagat Singh and in his place to add Hedgewar's speech is it's pathetic, it's condemnable, because okay, Hedgewar might be some important people for some political party, but is he known as a freedom fighter? No, he is not accepted as a freedom fighter by Indian people or by any prominent historians, in fact. So to add his speech, that too in place of Bhagat Singh's life struggle, this is not correct. It should be reversed. It is like insulting our uncompromising freedom struggle and insulting a martyr who, with a smiling face, he went to gallows. To remove his content from the textbook is condemnable, and it should be revised immediately. It should be put back.
DK Shivkumar, KPCC President, condemned the state government's decision to drop a lesson on Bhagat Singh and instead include a speech of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, RSS founder Keshav Baliram Hegdewar, in the Class 10 Kannada revised textbook.
I will say this is not soft saffronization, this is all-out bold saffronization, because till date, like previous time when there were distortion, we actually took time for us to know where the distortion is, how it is distorted, because they did it with subtlety and lot of cunningness. But this time, all out rabid, they have come out, and Rohit Chakratirtha, he is openly accepting, yes, we have removed Bhagat Singh, what of it?
ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ನಾಗ್ಪುರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಬಂದಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಸವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೇಸರೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹುನ್ನಾರ ಇದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈಗ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಗಡೆವಾರ್ ಅವರ ಭಾಷಣದ ತುಣುಕುಗಳನ್ನ ತಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿಷಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತಿ, ಕೋಮುವಾದದ ವಿಷಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಭಯಾನಕವಾದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿಷಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತು ಕೋಮು ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತೆಗೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೆಗ್ಡೆವಾರ್ ಅವರೇನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮದ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾಗಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಮು ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂಥ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟದ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥವರು. ಇವರನ್ನು ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಇವರು ಸಮರ್ಥಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
All this one aspect which is glaring is that all these stories and all this content that they have removed is not in agreement with BJP and RSS ideology. That is the one thing in common you can see in the contents that has been removed. And similarly, what is added, you can see that all the things added are in argument with BJP ideology. So this is very wrong.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆಪಾದನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಏನೂ ಸಿಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಒಲ್ಲದ ಗಂಡನಿಗೆ ಮೊಸರು ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಂತ. ಏನೂ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
The Karnataka Textbook Association have come up with a circular stating that they have not removed Bhagat Singh chapter, but they will keep it. It is as it is. But the problem is there is no transparency in the state government. See, yesterday itself, the new textbook, the revised textbook, has been uploaded in the official website called ktps.in. Where ktps.in, they have uploaded all the textbooks. There, if you see, in 10th standard new book, first language Kannada, there is no chapter on Bhagat Singh itself. then how is this circular stating that there is a chapter? And yesterday in many TV interviews, the Rohit Chakratirtha, what the committee headed by him, he himself stated that they have removed Bhagat Singh, stating that in those books there is no adequate, there is only very basic minimum knowledge of Bhagat Singh, so we are removed. So now he is saying that we are removed, and there is no, here if you see in the textbook, in the revised textbook that is available on the website, it is not there. And here if you see one more circular. So here you will see very non-transparency that is happening in the government.
See, what do you expect from RSS, BJP governments? They want to erase all the national heroes who sacrificed their lives for the freedom movement. And you can expect more of this coming. So because this is a very earlier it used to be subtle way of rewriting history. And now BJP has gone ahead and now they are blatantly trying to rewrite history. And only time will teach BJP a lesson. And how much ever BJP may try to erase the original heroes of independence, Bhagat Singh is an iconic figure from the freedom movement.
अब भी जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है।